And out. And out.
No, it was a good game. Natalie is a great player, and I always enjoy playing her. But luckily, I was able to kind of come out today, play a good game against her.
And how you feel about your play so far throughout the event?
I've been feeling pretty good. I'm not in the game as much as the rest of these girls, but it's nice to just be back on court and playing. I mean, I do enjoy the sport, and it's been years since I've been back in terms of competitive play. So it just really feels.
It's been a good week so far. Obviously, I love coming back home and playing. And yeah, as the year goes on, there'll be more events to play and represent Jamaica. So that's exciting. And now that I've gotten to the finals, I've now qualified for the team. So that's great. And I think the rest of the guys who are playing this week too, it's showing us solid growth for the game and good players coming through. So I think we'll have a strong team.
It's got to clear up to actually the standard is pretty high. So yeah, I played. I mean, Chris is obviously a legend in the Caribbean, and Julian, he's a national champion. So it was always going to be tough. But I felt a little okay. I mean, yeah, I can't really complain. So.
Julian is almost like a brother to me. We actually play on the same team in the KPMG League. So it's quite hard to come up against him, and knowing that he's my teammate, both in the league, both on the team itself, and knowing that we're so close to each other that we had to come out here and try and put on a good performance. But also the win, it meant a lot for me. He's All Jamaica champion. Not very often that I come up against an All Jamaica champion and end up winning that match. But it also proves to me that, hey, I'm in the mix. I deserve to be here. And
So today, Tahj played a great match. He came out strong. He was very consistent, fit. Played the right shots. Played the big points well. That was the difference in our match today. He played the points that needed to be won. He won those, and any other point that was going through, he was more confident and more comfortable playing. While I was coming, I had more. I would say I was more unsettled playing him. And he took advantage of that, steadied himself, and then went through and got the win today.